Today we're going to announce the winner of the two 10-inch professional mid-bass drivers from Celestion. The Dayton Audio KABM 30M and KABM 215 amplifier boards are compact, Bluetooth-enabled solutions for DIY audio projects. The KABM 30M delivers 30 watts mono output, perfect for portable speakers, while the KABM 215 offers 2x15 watts for stereo setups. Both boards feature easy installation, integrated Bluetooth, and customizable sound options via the free KABM software and KPX programmer. Grab one of the new Dayton Audio KABM amplifier boards today. Silent discos are all the rage, but the technology that powers them can be used for even more than dancing. The NOIR system utilizes a discrete black headphone set to distribute multiple wireless audio channels for classrooms, houses of worship, multi-language meetings, tour groups, libraries, construction sites, as well as so many other things. For more information, check out the NOIR system from Talent. The Dayton Audio DA350D and DA650D commercial amplifiers offer professional-grade audio performance with a powerful output and 70-volt constant voltage design perfect for large spaces. Featuring versatile connectivity options and a durable rack-mount design, they are essential tools for professionals seeking reliable and high-quality audio solutions. Last month, we ran a giveaway for someone to win two 10-inch professional mid-bass drivers from Celestion. We have now pulled the winner of the contest, and that person is Tim O. from Pana, Illinois. Congratulations, Tim. We'll be in touch soon. This month, Ciare has donated a mega pack of speakers to give away. That's 4 6.5-inch full-range drivers and 2 1-inch tweeter pairs. Head over to partsexpress.com to enter, and good luck to everyone who does. We'll see you next month.